The Krankcycle standing single arm independent push is an upper body cardio spinning exercise machine from Matrix. This strengthens the chest, back, shoulders, arms, and core. Kranking is a great calorie burning cardio option if you're not able to use your lower body due to injury. There's also an option with no seat that makes it wheelchair accessible. To get started, place the headstock into forward position by unlocking it, then rotate it around so the bend of the crank arms are pointing towards your body, then lock it. While standing, pull the lever to raise the height of the headstock to a comfortable position. You can increase or decrease the resistance by turning the knob with your free hand while continuing to crank with the other hand. Get into a split stance by taking your left leg back. Brace your abs, then push the left handle away from you and pull back in a nice smooth spinning motion. While your left arm is cranking, the right hand remains stationary while gripping the other handle. Repeat for time on the left arm, then switch your stance by taking your right leg back and crank with your right arm, while the left arm remains stationary. Repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.